Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making what I call a snowman luminary jar.
It's a salty snowman.
Could be a salty snowman.
Yeah.
But before we get started, once again, thank you to everyone who has sent in pictures of the projects that they've been working on, of the things they've made from the past kits. We always get so excited when we see them. We love seeing what you've done. If you want to share what you've made, if you've made this kit or something else, or just your own craft at home, use the QR code that will be right on the front of your kit to share your photo with us, and we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Do you know what's in our kits today?
I do. I do know what's in their kits.
Or is it like a fun little surprise?
Never know. No. In the kit, we've got a little jar, and inside that jar has both the lights that we'll be using. Ooh, batteries included. And two little googly eyes. And what else we have in there? Oh, we have some salt, Epsom salt. This is why it's a salty snowman. We've got some Mod Podge. We've got a pipe cleaner in there, and let's see, orange felt. Wow.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay.
I have not seen that.
Some people.
Our first step in building our snowman is to cover the outside of our jar with Mod Podge. I would recommend take the cap off for this. It just makes it a little easier to hold the jar once it's all covered in that Mod Podge.
Right. We're covering the Mod Podge so that the salt of the salty snowman will stick to the outside. Okay?
So we're using a paintbrush to just go ahead and coat the whole outside of the container. If you don't have a paintbrush, get messy. Just stick your finger in there and get the Mod Podge on there. It's going to work just fine.
While Kristen's doing that, I'm just going to cut the bag, and I'm going to make it so that I can place the Epsom salt onto the bag so that we could, like, dab the jar into the salt as we're painting it. You could use a plate or a bowl, but this way here, might as well use the paper bag. So I've cut this lid in the bag like this. So I just put it like that. Just this way, it's easy cleanup. Okay. Well, oh no. Too aggressive.
Easy cleanup.
Well, this shirt's ruined forever. So I think Kristen's going with the route of cover the entire thing and dip it. And I'm just doing portions at a time. Look at that. Easy cleanup.
Wow.
Throw it away.
Easiest cleanup we've ever had.
Next, let's put on the eyes. You could use Mod Podge to attach the eyes, but we needed something faster, so we're using hot glue. Hot glue. We need a segment to your, like...
A segment to my what? Doesn't the camera look kind of slow? Is the camera slow, or am I just that good?
If you don't wait for the Mod Podge to dry, it may be a little too early to put on the eyes. That's what we're finding out. So you might need to let it sit for like 5 minutes.
Whoa,
What happened?
you just took my eye.
I did?
Yes, it was stuck to the glue gun, and you just, I don't know where it's gone.
Well, it sounds like that's your problem. How was
Oh,
that?
I've got mismatched eyes now.
No,
Where did
it's
it go?
right here.
No, okay, here's the thing. It was stuck on a string, like it went over here.
I didn't.
What is-
I
Where could
picked-
it go? It's gonna be glued to something. It's right here. See, I told you it was stuck. Stuck to the glue gun.
I'm leaving all that in. I think my eyes are too far apart. I don't know where my guy's looking.
The next thing we're gonna do is use the little orange felt square to cut out a carrot nose for.
A schnoz.
I almost said for our pumpkin. For a snowman. And again, once you have your carrot nose cut out, we're using hot glue to attach it because it's a little bit easier. It's just kind of tough to get stuff to stick to the salt on the outside of the jar. So if you have hot glue, that seems to be the easiest so far.
Oh, look at your little carrot.
So you've got two different styles of nose here. After your nose is on, our snowman might be a little chilly, so we've put a pipe cleaner in there for you to give him a little scarf. It probably will just wrap right around the jar, and you can twist it on and it'll stay. If you want to put like a dot of glue or something on there to hold it in place, you can do that.
My nose fell off. So we have included in the kit some LED lights. There's a little pull tab. It's like a little white sticker. You pull that out of the white box and throw that away. And now we've got a little button on the side. There's 3 different modes to this. So you could unwrap these. We'll place them into our snowman face head thing and scatter them around so that they kind of light up the entire jar. Cool. And when you're all done, screw that top on.
I'm not kidding. I think this is one of my favorite of our projects ever.
Yeah.
Look how pretty and cute and silly.
I like it.
Remember that time I turned into a snowman?
Kristen?
Hey,